Good evening. How to register using GCash. Okay, go to GCash, tap the GCash. Then next, wait. Go to load. Go to load. Go to non-telco. Go to non-telco. Next, go to Pay TV. Pay TV, piliin ang ang iloload, GSAT. Buy GSAT. Dapat may laman yung GCash para makag-buy and wait for the confirmation from GCash. At kunin yung PIN, dapat isulat para dali lang ma-remember. Then after that, go to Google, then click GSAT web loading. Then next, go to web loading, then i-type yung box number na luludan. Then next, isulat yung PIN number na message from GCash. Okay, then